Parking in reverse is one of the most useful skills for beginner drivers. Before you begin, make sure the area is clear and that other drivers understand your intentions. Step 1. Find a parking space where you can visually fit your car. Step 2. Slowly move forward and align your right side mirror with the parking space start line. Step 3. Before you begin the maneuver, check your mirrors and surroundings. Make sure no one is behind you and that you are not blocking anyone. Step 4. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the left and move forward slowly until the corner of the parking space becomes visible in your right rearview mirror. Step 5. Now turn the steering wheel all the way to the right, shift into reverse, and begin backing up. Continue reversing until your vehicle becomes parallel to the other parked cars. Step 6. Straighten your wheels and reverse a little more to center your car inside the parking space. Congratulations! You've successfully completed a reverse angle parking maneuver. And if you want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe. We have lots of simple animations, driving quizzes, and helpful tips for beginner drivers. See you in the next video.